2 years ago, we decided, when I took over the committee as the president of LESA, we decided to have this solar power system, but we did not have any idea how to go about with it. Keeping in mind the importance of green energy to preserve our earth for the next generation to come, I, along with the managing committee, take great pleasure in gifting this solar energy project to our alma mater on its 75th year of excellence. I must place on record and appreciate the sincere contribution of Brother Nigel and ex-Loyalites towards the installation of this futuristic project. If not for Brother Nigel, I don't think we would have achieved this. Brother Nigel is knowledgeable and confident about the solar system. Brother Nigel is based in Mapsa, St. Britos, and he has come and helped me on and off. Whenever he said he's coming, he's been there, and we've managed to put the system in order. I also would like to appreciate the help rendered by Inacio Fernandez, an ex-Loyalite. He has done the earthing of the main meter board, the solar panels on the roof, the lightning arresters with 30 mm by 3 mm aluminum strips. The job was difficult, tedious and risky. The cost of the project was 7,70,000, and the capacity of the project power plant is 15 kilowatts. Solar energy is abundantly available. Only thing you have to do is tap it. And it is green energy. The government should promote this green energy for the future of generation so that we don't have this problem of environment.
These days we have been talking about sustainable energy. Therefore, we as the Loyalites have thought of this project for the school, which is very beneficial for the school because, as we know, the electricity that is generated by the solar panels is going to really help the school in ways because we may cut down on our electricity bills also. And it is a must for our students because we also learn how to conserve energy and what are the various sources of energy that can be gained from nature itself.